Okay, guys. It's right down in that corner over there. Yeah. So I got this OBS going. It took me a while to figure it out. It's a little bit more complicated than Adobe Premiere and figuring a few things out, but it's open source and it's working good with my 64-bit i7 processor that I got going. I'm not having a problem with it. So I want to show you a couple basics now that I got OBS running and what I feel is important for getting started on a few things. So I'm working on coding. I'm going to open up this website right here, and while I'm doing this coding stuff, I need a few different things in my web page, like GitHub, and then I gotta open up a new tab. I'm gonna need AWS, and I gotta open up a new tab. I might need Google search. So I got my Google search. Well, I'm going over here to where you normally do bookmarks, and there's this bookmark this page, but it's only gonna bookmark one tab, and it's gonna save it in the bookmarks. Well, I'm trying to bookmark all three tabs because I'm going to need to open up all three platforms at once anytime I go to do this task of building code or doing my website. I need everything together. So what's going to happen is bookmark this page is here, but bookmark all these pages isn't there. You actually got to go up to this tab and right click on the tab. And at the very bottom it says bookmark all tabs. It's Control-Shift-D for your shortcut if you want to do that. But I click on that, and let's see if what opening the bookmarks is. Okay, so I'm gonna go new folder, and I'm gonna say getting started. Test. So I'm going to create that new folder for my bookmark all tabs, and it pops up here, but I want to show you how it's popping up here. So before I even had that little bar, there's this show bookmarks bar at the top. If I unclick that, that goes away. It's not there. So, but then if it's not there, I look down here and oh, here's the get started test. We got GitHub, Amazon, and Google. That's cool, but I enjoy having a little bookmarks bar up here to where I can find my stuff. Now, I can click each individual one and get to pull up all the tabs. But if I exit this and I go to get started and I right click, it's going to let me open all three at once. And I can open up all three. Say I got my WordPress over here. I got 11 windows I need to open up at once that day, every day. I click on that, and all my 11 windows are going to open up at once. And it's going to get me started with my job that day that much quicker. Now, what is it? I'm just going to close all tabs out of that real quick, open it up, and we're going to get started with opening all three. Now, I got this going. Say I need like a little shortcut for a tab. I could put this GitHub window I got here on my shortcuts, but in the bookmarks doesn't offer shortcuts. You actually got to go down to more tools, and if you create shortcut, it's going to create a desktop shortcut. Click create. I minimize my search engine. Now there's a little GitHub thing down here. Now what I thought was cool is sometimes I'll make like a new folder and I'll call it getting started, and I'm gonna put my shortcuts that I want to remember in the shortcut thing. But I don't like looking at the folder, and the folders are hard to organize if I got a whole bunch of yellow folders. Gotta really take my glasses and look in so that I can read it. I like to have icons. So I go into my folder, I go down to properties, and I can customize an icon. Well, when I go to my icons, I'm having trouble. I want the get icon. I want to have the little cat suit so that I can find my GitHub easy. Well, it's not in my icon options, but somehow there's a GitHub icon on this one. If I bring it back out here, it's back out here. There's a little Git cat. Well, how I figured out how to do this, you go down to properties, you go to there looks like it's in the shortcut box here. You go to change icon. It gives a directory of where that icon is located. So I copy the directory up here in this browse box. Cancel all this out. Exit back out to the folder. The folder is showing the little cat, but I just want the cat icon. I'll go down to properties. I'll go to customize, change icon, and then I'm gonna Control V and paste my directory for my icon location. Press OK. It's gonna give me that icon. I'm gonna select that, apply the feature, press OK. Now I got a getting started folder and I got a get started folder. So getting started, GitHub's here. Shortcut works the same. Brings me straight up to GitHub. So I thought that was pretty cool. I just want to show you with this OBS Studio is freaking super badass, and I'm going to be helping y'all out because I know a lot about computers and a lot about little things that we need to get going, because I got kids and I'm sure they want to be good with their sports and being good with their weather broadcasting and all their other things they're going to be doing growing up in school. So got a few things to share and teach around town here. Alright, well, I'm out of here. I got this hotkey on OBS, so I just press end and it's over with, and that's the video for y'all. Thanks, Jonathan Paul Roy. Post this up on YouTube as soon as I'm done recording. Later.